Hey there, this is Bert with Apex Customs. Here we have a 1988 Toyota Land Cruiser, originally used for camping and hunting by the owner. So the car came into us pretty worn out and tired, hardly even running. So we started, we addressed everything, all the rust, the frame, the paint work, got all the body work done. We did a full two-tone PPG two-stage paint job. All new weather strips, badges, lights, grille replacement. Anything aged or worn out, we swapped out. Lumar ceramic window tint. Kept OEM where possible, sound deadening throughout. Custom carpet and headliner, dash door panel seats, sun visors were restored. We also upgraded the audio system, got a full doubled in, all new wiring throughout. It comes with a microphone, it comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, did a remote powered subwoofer, all Rockford Frodsgate speakers. Thing sounds amazing. The powertrain, so we did a Connect and Cruise GM LS3 in this with a 6L80. Now, this power plant has about 430 horse, about 400 more than the original motor. It is still a four-wheel drive. The engine bay, we did Holley mid-mount accessories, hooker headers, custom motor mounts, custom cold air intake, fully custom TIG welded exhaust with a MagnaFlow muffler. Thing sounds pretty good. So we kept the OEM transfer case. We used an advanced adapters conversion kit to adapt it to the 6L80. That way we're able to keep the same right-hand drop for the drive shafts. Speed hut gauges, low car shifter. Still has Triptronic and everything that the 6L80 offers. So our chassis, we did full ARB Old Man Emu 2-inch lift. That came with fully nitro charged shocks. This thing is ready for anything off-road. Custom drive shafts front and rear. We also did a 1,200-pound rough country winch. So throughout this transformation, this vehicle by the owner used to be called Old Blue. So now it's become the Blue the Badass. This vehicle is now reliable enough, to last for generations. He's been able to pass it down to his family. They'll be able to enjoy it for years to come. If any of you guys want any build like this, that involves, full restoration, powertrain, transmissions, electronics, you guys can come see us at Apex Customs. We'll take care of you.